Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making an Irish coffee. Now this recipe blends together the warmth of freshly brewed coffee with the richness of an Irish whiskey, layered on top with a great whipped cream topping. This makes one great drink and I can't wait for you guys to learn how to make it. So let's get started. All right, let's dive into this recipe. This is a really quick one, so I'm glad to share it with you all. In a coffee mug, we're gonna add 4 teaspoons of light brown sugar, plus some additional to taste if you like. And following that, you're gonna add in 8 ounces of black coffee. And then we're gonna follow that up with 3 ounces worth of Irish whiskey. You can use your favorite. My general go-to is a Jameson. Using that always makes the Irish coffee taste great. You want to stir these ingredients together until all the sugar dissolves. And then in a separate small bowl, you want to add in 2 teaspoons worth of granulated white sugar and 2 ounces of heavy cream, and whisk those together until it becomes lightly whipped. It should have a consistency like this. And then you want to float that whipped cream onto the top of the coffee. And for an Irish coffee, you want to drink the coffee through the cream, making sure not to stir the cream into the rest of the coffee. And that's it. You've made an Irish coffee right at home. You can always try sprinkling a pinch of ground cinnamon or nutmeg over the whipped cream of the Irish coffee for a touch of seasonal spice, depending on when you drink it. But this, as you see, is a really easy drink to make. It's a nice hot toddy. I can't wait for you all to try it. And when you do, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 5, Mastering Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make this recipe, and if you did, make sure you stir in a like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done this already, make sure you click that subscribe button too. And sharing is caring, so if you enjoyed this recipe and think someone else will too, feel free to share this with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I show you another great drink recipe, my peach Bellini, a great use for peaches in the upcoming season. Well, thanks again for watching. I truly do appreciate it. You can always check out more recipes on my page now. YouTube thinks you'll like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.